Our Realtor Megha.
Really made this happen.
Honestly, this was the first house we looked at. The proximity to school was the biggest item on the list.
The first thing I did when we got the keys,
Started designing her perfect home. We've been here in Canada for 5 years now, and we really wanted to get a house of our own, a house where our little daughter can grow up and make great family memories. Honestly, this was the first house we looked at when we started our search.
yeah, my first impression was it's just the right amount of space that we need for the three of us. Like a little basement to keep extra stuff and have some, room to play. A small yard that's easy to maintain, and the backyard, of course, back of course opens right behind the school. So the school's also, the location is great.
Yeah, location is great for us.
For him, the criteria with highest priority was 2 full bathrooms, because he's that's where he spends most of his time. And for me, it was an outdoor space, like a backyard or front yard, some outdoor space. That was my priority. And of course, there are other factors also.
But really, we were looking for a 3-bedroom house, so that we can have space for our kid, separate room, a playroom, and which can double up as a guest room if my parents come to visit us. Yeah, that was.
And a decent sized kitchen.
Decent sized kitchen.
Kitchen, yeah.
All right. If we talk about checklist, then of course the proximity to school was the biggest item on the list. But then again, when we look at the location we got in Oakville, it's really near to very beautiful parks. It's really close to all the amenities that we want. Also very close to the gym that we go to. So it checked all the boxes for us.
The first thing I did when we got the keys, revisit each area of the house and see where I'm going to place what would go with this. So yeah.
Started designing her perfect home.
Yeah, the whole process of buying the house, starting from our first appointment, it was smooth, I would say. I mean, the first time we spoke to Megha about the house, she came over and she just explained about the whole process.
Understood our requirements and presented us with all the possible options that we can look at. We all actually started pretty early, and within a matter of 3 weeks, we would have seen all the options that we wanted in Oakville to be looked at. And then we put at least 3 offers before we zeroed on this house. I would say the process was very professional.
Yeah.
With all the documents being signed online, with all the details in the offer agreements that we would like to have, and finally we were able to get this house.
Yeah, it was really hassle-free. She was really able to accommodate our needs, our timings. It was fun. If you ask Anaira, our daughter, that's what she'd say, because every visit she'll be she'd just get ready, and she was aware of the routine, and she should look out to these appointments.
Our Realtor Megha
really made this happen.